Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your account history with Mint easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Mint website. Log in to your Mint account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab located in the upper menu. Click on the Accounts tab to view your linked financial accounts. Select the specific account for which you want to verify the history. You will see a list of transactions for that particular account. Review the transaction history displayed on the screen. To filter your transactions, use the date range options available. Select a custom date range if you need specific months or dates. You can also categorize transactions by type for easier navigation. If you need detailed information on a specific transaction, click on it. This action will expand the details of that transaction for you. Take note of any discrepancies you may find in your account history. If everything appears correct, you can proceed with your financial planning. To download your transaction history, look for the Export option. Choose your preferred file format for the download. Confirm the download and save the file to your device. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help Center for assistance. Make sure to log out of your account after you've finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.